This is all about getting the right wig fit. And this is going to be in a new playlist under my Wigs 101 that I hope you'll follow to get more ideas of how to get the best wig that is your dream wig that you'll love to wear. What we want to do is measure our circumference. Now, if we're doing a topper, you'll take other measurements, but the main thing for wig wearers is knowing if it's going to be a petite, an average, or large. And so you want to measure. When we go to the website, show you some examples and where to find this information. Every wig manufacturer is sizing it a little different. And so you want to go to that website and find that particular wig, and then find out what their measurements are for each one of those sizes. And then make sure when you're purchasing, you go to the website, it'll say on there that this is a Envy Chantal Petite, or an Envy Chantal Large, or John Renault Average. And so you want to look at that and make sure in that description that you're buying the right one, that it says the size that you really need. So what you're going to do is get a measuring tape. Have a couple of them here. And let's use the lighter blue because I think that will show it better than my dark blue. So just take a measuring tape and come up behind your ears like that and over the top of your head. You're just like where you're going to set that wig down, and then come over and let's measure. And I measure, as you can see here, I measure about 21.5. So I measure, if I put this down, right under the bone here, right where your scalp kind of comes down and dents, come down there, right? Come around behind your ears and up and over. And I am about a 21.5. So there you know your measurement. But this is the biggie. This is what I want you to know. Everyone, we suggest to wear a wig grip. Wear a wig grip. That keeps your wig from slipping back, or in the back slipping up. So this is a lifesaver. And what you want to do, and this is the measurement I want you to get, is put your wig grip on, right? Just like where we wear it every day. If you have hair to put up, that's going to add bulk back here because you're going to be pulling the hair up. It's going to be in the wig cap or wig grip, right? Or braided back here, or maybe you've twisted it back here, but it's going to add to that measurement. So put your wig grip on first. And then, see, you can tell that's the way it goes. It's going to hold it down. And see how I can push on it and it grips your own hair. So that's what the wig grip does. Now let's measure again. And this is the true measurement I want you to get, because otherwise, I think too often we aren't measuring with our hair pulled back, how we're going to wear it under the cap, and then putting on, you can see how I do like that, putting on your wig grip, getting it tucked in the way it's going to be tucked in under your cap. Now let's measure and see if there's any difference. So now go on top of that wig grip and come around, and guess what, ladies? Look at that. Look at the difference in the measurement. It's just a little over 22.75 inch. And that's just by being on top of it. So that's your measurement, not without a wig grip. Because if you're going to be putting your hair up under a wig and putting a wig on, then you need to know this measurement and not the first measurement. That's the measurement you're going to need. I think if you will do this, I think that you will have a much better wig fit experience. I hope this helps. I'm going to be doing a series of videos on what to do before you buy your wig. Be sure and watch in the next video under the next playlist of Mel's Wig 101. And I hope I'll see you there. Doing my darlings. Bye.